How to create the TV static effect in Premiere Pro. In the bottom right corner of the project panel, click on the new item button and click on Color Matte. The new Color Matte window will appear and press OK. The color picker window will appear and go to the color field and make sure the color field that is selected is black and press OK. The color matte will appear in the project panel and drag and drop it to your timeline. Then extend your color matte to your desired length. Press Shift 7 to open the effects panel and in the search bar, type in noise. Select noise and drag and drop the effect to your color matte in the timeline. Then press Shift 5 to open the effect controls window, and in the effect controls window, go to noise and click on the amount of noise drop down and increase the noise to anywhere between 60 to 100%. Then disable use color noise and disable clip result values. I have a few TV static sound effects that I created here in my project, and you can download these for free at saxoncreative.com. I'll put the link in the description below. I'm going to drag and drop this TV static sound effect below the color matte, and this is how you create a TV static effect in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.